pretty good. I thought you were right. You go down by Dennis' house? Y'all live behind the net, but we're probably off of I don't know if you be all the way through. Really? Yeah. Precious. They are. And I thoroughly enjoy.
All right, if I can have everybody's attention. Can everybody hear me okay? Too loud?
No.
Not loud enough. Perfect. Great. I would like to welcome everybody to Randy and Judy's 50th anniversary. We're so excited to be here tonight and be with them in this celebration. So I'm so glad that everybody was able to make it out tonight. I want to give you a little rundown as what we're getting ready to do. You guys are getting ready to eat. You will find 3 plates at the table. 1 plate for your entree, 1 for your salad, and 1 for your cake. So you might want to set the cake plate to the side. In just a few moments, I'm going to bless the meal. And when I get done with the blessing, you may take your plate, your entree, or your salad, either one, and go through the service line, okay? So set that cake plate to the side because you don't want to miss the cake. So at this time, I would like to bless the meal. And you can make your way to a table once I get done and get you a plate, and then make your way back and enjoy your meal. If you would, let's please bow our heads.